How to disable read receipts on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable read receipts on Messenger. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So want to be able to read your messages on the Messenger app without people knowing you have seen them? So you need to for that launch Messenger app on your device. Log into your account. Head towards three-line icon at top left corner of the screen and choose gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Now, under Preferences section, choose Privacy and Safety option. Under What People See, select Read Receipts option. And now, turn off Show Read Receipts switch. Once you disable read receipts, other won't be able to see when you have read their messages, and you won't see when others have read your messages. You can turn it back on at any time. For more tips, check out our full Messenger tutorial playlist. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.